Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your brand reputation with Trustpilot easy tutorial step by step clearly. To protect your brand reputation with Trustpilot, start by visiting the Trustpilot website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button in the top right corner. Enter the necessary business information, including your email address and brand name. Once your account is created, complete your profile by adding details such as your logo and company description. Next, customize your review invitation settings to align with your communication strategy. You can choose to send these invitations via email or through a direct link. Now, begin asking your customers for reviews to gather authentic feedback. Make it easy for customers to share their experiences by sending personalized invitations. Monitor incoming reviews regularly to stay updated on customer feedback. Respond promptly to both positive and negative reviews to show that you value customer input. Use the feedback to make improvements and address any recurring issues in your business. Consider highlighting positive reviews on your website and social media platforms. This can build trust and demonstrate your commitment to customer satisfaction. Utilize Trustpilot's reporting features to analyze your review trends and customer sentiment. Share your overall rating and positive reviews with your audience to enhance your brand image. Regularly engage with your reviewers to maintain a positive presence on Trustpilot. Encourage satisfied customers to spread the word about their experiences. This consistent effort will help you protect your brand reputation over time. Remember, transparency and responsiveness are key to building trust with your audience. Finally, stay informed about Trustpilot updates and best practices to continually enhance your reputation management strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.